40% future prospects.
40% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Future prospects.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
90%.
16,30,000. 16,32,900 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 16,32,900 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 90%.
ಮೆಮೋ ಆಫ್
90% ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
90 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಹೌದು.
ಮೆಮೋ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಚೀಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸಣ್ಣ ಬರ್
6,000.
ಆಯ್ತು
6,000
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2,400
plus 40%.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2,400.
Multiplier as per
18 into 12.
100%.
ಇಂಟು ನೆಟ್.
At least heads ಎಲ್ಲ retain ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೊಂದು ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಒಂದು 50,000 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
3 Y Lakshmikant Reddy.
My lords, in both the cases, the liability is fixed on the owner, my lords, on the ground that driver did not had the license, my lords.
ನಾಗರಾಜ
Insurance company has,
The owner come driver ಮೇಲೆ
ಓನರ್ ಕಮ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಪಿ ಎ ಕವರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಪೇ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಕವರಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನರ್ ಕಮ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
my lord, that is, claimant is the third person.
ಹಂಗಲ್ ಅದು ದಿ ಕ್ಲೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ದಿ
ಓನರ್ ಕಮ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್
ಓನರ್ ಕಮ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಯಾರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವನೇ
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Four. Venkatesh Kharvi, please.
It is covered by this one.
ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Covered judgment, my lords, but only contention in similar case, my lord, Hubli Keshwapura, the trial court has given 75,000, my lords. That's only contention. But ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In the recent case, my lord, there is 2021, LIC number 102/14. So trial court assess regarding the fertility of the soil of the and accessibility of the land. Granted 75,000.
2,50,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಅದು
ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ?
2,50,000 ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಗುಂಟೆಗೆ 3,23,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ
ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ.
ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ 14 and 39 ಅಲ್ಲ
serial number
set of same LIC 14 and
for
13.
announcement wherein 1,25,000 has been awarded, it has to be announced to
ಎಲ್ಲ
2,50,000.
ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು.
Serial number 14 and 39.
39.
39.
I undertake to file wakalat on behalf of the respondents.
The Venkatesh Kharvi undertakes to appear for the respondent. He is permitted to file wakalat within a period of 4 weeks. Not
3 and 4 I accept notice.
The CGP accepts notice for respondent for 3 and 15 and 39. These appeals are filed challenging the first paragraph. The council appearing for the defense as well as the Indian government,
Union
Union of India.
Union of India represented by SWR, Southwestern Railways.
These appeals are heard by statement of this court in bench dated 10/10/2023 passed in MFA 10332 of 2020 and of the said submission. These appeals are allowed in part the impugned judgment and award of the reference court dated so and so.
Madam, bad illa.
Case number so and so by the so and so court is modified. The
Settlement.
slash claim
Bad.
are entitled
Water bad.
2,50,000 per contract as contempt.
3.
Institute the other degree.
Please.
Is
47 paid.
We have paid, sir. ನಾನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ paid ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Registry to refund the necessary. Bill is disposed of with cost number. Cost last year. The registry to,
We have also paid the court fee in first appeal, in still number 4.
is a pain, eligible,
Admissible.
admissible to the respective parties. Out on the in accordance with law. Sir,
In
in accordance with law.
Please.
5 PP 14.
There is awaiting of report, Your Honor.
One
The
submission.
warrant has been issued.
Warrant is not executed.
My Lordship, one submission, my Lords. On behalf of accused number 2 and 3, my Lords, I have been instructed to appear, my Lords, on this.
No, but warrant has been issued, na?
A bailable warrant was issued, my Lords, for a sum of 25,000 each. Lords,
Whether
since I
warrant
was-
is executed.
my Lords,
Why warrant is not executed? When warrant is issued, why you are in hand in glove with the officers? Why warrant is not executed? Telangana state. Anyway, our police have to do it, na? Huh?
Undertake to appear for both.
yes, Your Lordships, accused number 2 and 3 as well. But Lords, last night I was instructed. I have written confirmation for Lords undertaking on behalf of them.
Shri, so and so appears for respond person. So, first, the Cabinet HCGP is requested ascertain why the bailable warrant issued by this court has not been executed. And upon whom the lapse lies, so that this court can take action against the guilty officials. Call this matter. Yavaga complaints.
On Monday, my Lords.
One day? Time ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
I'll secure the records and I'll seek instructions as well.
Please.
Application ಬರ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ. Application.
Grateful.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Please.
6.
ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. Contempt ನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. They are all criminal matters.
Matters pertaining to the grant of land to the ex-serviceman.
Your Lordship may take 6.7, my lord. There we have placed on record some material to show that some time is required, my lord. We have filed an affidavit of appellant number 4.
Time for what?
Because a letter is a ತಮಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
We had asked to give full particulars.
Please, my lord, for
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಾ?
that, my lord, there is a letter of the principal secretary addressed to all the regional commissioners, 4 regional commissioners seeking information. In turn, my lord, they require some time to take from each taluka level. That's why, my lord, they are seeking 4 weeks' time to file the consolidated, my lord, the statement before this honorable court. My lord, your lordship may look to my,
At the request of learned additional advocate general, Mr. Reddy, call this matter in, on date ಅದರ ಕೊಡಿ 18/20. 21st?
please, highly obliged.
Finally. Okay.
Please.
ಏನ್ ಗುರು? ಏನಿದೆ?
Lords,
Arising out of the same
applied,
judgment.
Lords, the application that has been filed by the deputy, before the deputy commissioner
ಯಾವ judgment?
for conversion of the land, my lords, from agricultural purpose to non-agricultural purpose. My lords, that was rejected by the deputy commissioners, my lords, without assigning any reasons, by merely stating in one word.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಂದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
Order, my lords, there is a direction for me to issue the challenge, my lords, for conversion. That order is under challenge. The 2, my lords, when I have filed a contempt petition, when the contempt notice stands served upon them, they come up with a writ appeal to defeat the contempt.
ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
7.
ಅಪೀಲು ಇದೆ ಏನೋ?
Yes, ಹೌದು. We have filed appeal.
The appeal, my lords, after service of notice of contempt notice.
ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ನೋಡ್.
Lord, our
ಡಿಲೇ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
delay 156 days.
ಡಿಲೇ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಏನಿದೆ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
Please, my lord, one respectful submission to the lordship is that
Appeal is filed after brooking delay of so many days. First, an application supported by an affidavit seeks its condonation. First off, plausible explanation having been shown, delay is condoned.
please.
Appeal ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
Yes, my lord, my respectful submission to the lordship is that two contentions before the lordship. One contention is with regarding to making the Urban Development Authority as a party to the writ petition. The writ petition was filed challenging the order passed by the Deputy Commissioner with regarding to rejection of his application for conversion of usage of land for agriculture to non-agricultural land.
Correct.
Since, my lord, my second respectful submission is that, my lord, since that a property which they are seeking for conversion, it comes under the green belt area of the Urban Development Authority. And invoking the provisions of section 14 capital A of the Karnataka Town and Planning Authority, it is the competent authority is the Urban Development Authority who has to consider his application and to submit a report to the Deputy Commissioner, and thereafter the Deputy Commissioner has to adjudicate with regarding to conversion or not. With regarding to that, my lord, may I pass on the judgment of the division bench of this honorable court?
ಅದು ಗುರುಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ
ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. In that, my lord, para.
This is judgment which Ram.
Yes, my lord, yes. Wherein, my lord, it was decided with regarding to Bangalore BDA.
Held.
Yes, that DC is not a competent. Yes. Para 9, my lord.
Para
9.
Does it hold water even today?
Yes, no.
This judgment is not loosened.
No.
ಹೌದಾ?
Para 9, my lord. Therefore, the question which arises for consideration whether the special deputy commissioner had any power at all to accord permission under section 95 of the Karnataka Land Revenue Act. The chapter 3, section 9 to 13 of the Planning Act provides for the preparation and
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. DC ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. Lords, I have made an application, my lords, for conversion of the land from agricultural purpose to non-agricultural purpose.
Correct.
ಹೌದು.
But what Justice Rama Joyce says is, the bench headed by Mr. Rama Joyce, the great judge, his 3-4 books are wonderful. About 6 books he has written. One is Services under the State in Service Law, one of the finest books published by Indian Law Institute. Then Administrative Tribunals Act, he has written a commentary. Then he is the Legal and Constitutional History of India.
Legal and Constitutional History.
Wonderful book it is. Several books he has written. See, and that author of this judgment, he says, if it falls within the ODP,
yes,
CDP, whichever, then it goes out of the jurisdiction of Deputy Commissioner. Para 9 ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಈಗ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್.
I'll just
call this matter after vacation.
Please.
Let the contempt proceedings shall be dropped and the lordship shall stay the
contempt drop ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Let it be together, my lords.
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿವೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು.
I will address my lords on this point.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಿವೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you can have the revival by moving a memo. We'll say that.
Instead of revival, my lords, let it be there, my lords. I'll justify, my lords. There are series of judgments, my lords, which says, my lords, even after the conversion of the land from agricultural purpose to non-agricultural purpose, I cannot use that land, my lords, as I wish. I will have to go and approach the planning authority.
ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಅಂತ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಗೆ appeal is pending.
My lords, absolute, if my lords could kindly see the order that has been passed by the deputy commissioner, he does not even, my lords, mention as to why is he rejecting my application.
If he has no jurisdiction,
no, he has
what he says is irrelevant.
No, my lords, he has the conversion order has to be provided by the deputy commissioner alone.
All right, after vacation, please. ಮುಂದುವರಿಯೋಣ ಮಾಡಿ.
Great.
Lord, I am seeking for stay of the learned.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ the contempt proceeding shall not be precipitated since appeal is pending. Okay.
Yes. Both the appeals.
First off, this we are saying in view of division bench judgment in Special Deputy Commissioner versus Narayanappa, ILR
2008, 1998, madam. 1988.
98.
ಹೌದು.
ಇದ್ರ
ಹೌದು, 1988.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 1998 ಇದ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದು, 1998 KIR
He retired soon
1390.
after we joined.
My lord,
He
this,
retired as
Allah,
Chief
this
Justice
was,
of Punjab, Haryana.
Allah, ILR 1988 KIR.
88.
88.
Yes, yes.
88.
ILR 1988 Karnataka,
ILR 1988 Karnataka 1398.
139.
Yes. Both appeals. ಎರಡು appeal ಇದೆ.
Yes.
Great.
For the appellant in this matter, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Pagi.
Appellant had challenged the order of the 25/6/2024, that is an interim order passed by the in writ petition number 1000-758/2023. In that, the herein respondent are not served the copy to me because I am the contested respondent in the writ petition, because for number 7 has been granted.
You are a contesting respondent.
Please, your lordship. Since occupancy rights has been granted in my favor, nor they have served the copy to me, nor they given the opportunity to me.
That interim order.
Yes,
You seek vacating of the interim order.
because already they have passed the order. That order I have challenged before this.
Ex parte order.
ಅವ್ರಿದ್ದವರು
Huh?
kindly see page number 16, your lordship.
Correct. ನಿಮ್ನ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನನಗೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನೇ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. This intra-court appeal seeks to call in question an interim order.
Your lordship, once again, even in that day, I appeared through VC. That day,
How this appeal is maintainable? Because of Tamanna. Interim order. Tamanna, 7-judge bench, Tamanna versus Renuka. 7-judge judgment says, if it is an interim order, then no intra-court appeal, ordinarily, subject to some exceptions which we have carved out in Paschim Hindi Prachar and there, which you had argued. This intra-court appeal seeks to call in question the ad interim order granted by a learned single judge of this court on 6/12/2023 and continued on 10/1/2024 in a pending WP numbers 107017 of 2023 LR connected with WP number 100758 of 2023 LR. First. Next paragraph. Learned counsel appearing for the appellant vehemently submits that he is the tenant in cultivation of the subject land, having obtained the grant of occupancy at the hands of the land tribunal under section 48 capital A of the Karnataka Land Reforms Act 1961. And this aspect having not been adverted to, there is a lacuna in the impugned order warranting interference of this court. First, learned HCGP on request accepting for the land tribunal opposes the petition appeal, contending that ordinarily intra-court appeal against interim orders does not lie wide Tamanna versus Renuka. First, he further submits that it is open to the appellant to seek variation of the impugned order at the hands of the learned single judge in the pending petition. New party na?
Oh, not party.
Petition, wherein the appellant happens to be respondent number
2 to 5, your lordship.
2 to 5. Appellants happen to be respondent numbers 2 to 5. First.
257, your lordship.
257, huh?
257.
7. First. We agree with this submission. Next paragraph. In view of the above, this appeal is disposed of, reserving liberty to the appellants herein to take appropriate proceedings in the pending writ petition. Please, petition. First, all contentions in that connection are kept open.
Nine, Subhash Kebati.
My lord, the copy is served through the WhatsApp.
Caveator, my lord.
He is the filed the caveat, we have filed. And we have challenged the companies challenged the liability as well as quantum in this case, my lord. That insured himself is having no driving license. And that I'm seeking for a stay because he filed the EP.
Deposit amount, so that it will help you.
My lord,
instead of
yes, my
execution,
lord,
you
withdraw
go to
the amount. Because, my lord, the liabilities, there is no liability question. Pay and recovery is orders. My lord, the amount is, my lord, the 45 lakhs. So, my lord,
amount deposit ಮಾಡಿ.
the entire amount
My
will be
lord.
deposited. Only
My lord.
quantum is,
My lord, my quantum is also that he was a salaried person. His gross income is 19,000, but our court has considered 29,000 rupees. So
No,
that we have filed appeal in time. Application. No, there is no delay.
my lord.
Requires consideration. There shall be interim order of stay. Subject to appellant depositing 50% of the award amount before the tribunal within a period of 8 weeks. The tribunal is directed to reinvest the said amount.
My lord, that may be permitted to withdraw there is no liability question.
We challenge the liability.
Liability challenge ಆಗಿದೆ.
Emergent notice to Sri BM Patil, response appearance for respond number 1, caveat. Emergent notice to R4.
R1 to R3.
Then you can prepare it, please.
I'm filing memo of facts for dispensation of translated copy.
Merit ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
Merits, my lords, that is premature transfer, my lords. The petitioner herein was appointed as attender in the year 2014 under
Tender.
compassionate ground, my lords. And thereafter she was promoted in the year 2022, my lords, 13/6/22. She got promotion, my lords, and now she is working as SDA. Now she has been prematurely disturbed by the state, my lords.
ಏನಂತ KT ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ?
KT, my lord.
What the KT says, but he was working in the very same place as a attendant.
ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಿಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Lord, he was working in from the 2014 in the same place as a Lord project child welfare development officer as attendant. Lord, he was promoted in the year 2022 and working in the very same place.
Yes.
And now he was transferred, my lord.
How? Why?
From that place. Now the KT holder, since he is working from the very same place last 14 years, you cannot say that it's ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದಾದ್ರೆ
ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ 2016 ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು
ಲಾ ಇರೋದು ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್
ಸೇಮ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ
ಒಂದ್ಸೆ ಆತರ
ಚಂದ್ರ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಲಾ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್
ಇಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್
ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇದ್ ಅದರ್ contesting respondent has taken
no she is working ಏನು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದಲ್ಲ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಮೆಪೆಡ್ ಅನ್ಸರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಮೆಪೆಡ್
ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಂಗ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಹಂಗ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದು
transfer order.
Direction to the system.
The response 1, 2, 3 are directed to continue the petitioner in the
Not in the
to work continue the petitioner in the post of SDA at CDPO office at Indore. the respondent number 4 shall hand over the charge and report back to her original post.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ.
Post details.
ಹಾ.
Authority take necessary steps.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
Appropriate.
Lords, one submission, Lords. Till today, she has not assumed.
Then it's okay.
Full bench judgment ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಇದು I'll give it, brother. Chandra, last time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. I'll give it.
Chandra is reiterated in by Justice Chauhan Sahib judgment.
Please,
Another. Chandra is by Justice KL Manjunath bench.
I'll give it.
Great. Lords, I may be permitted to file memo of facts in the
Memo of
facts, Lords, for seeking dispensation.
dispensation.
Please.
On oral request, dispensation granted.
11 Arabirad VG Bhatt.
Or by judgment, my lords. Or by judgment. Same, it is Satur village, my lords, in respect to Andasu. The apex court also given the same findings.
Delay
Delay may be controlled.
the interest.
After, I'll waive the interest also.
7 ವರ್ಷ delay ಇದೆ. If you agree, we can do. Otherwise, the very consequence follow.
On 79, 5 days back, your lordship has in the similar matter.
It all depends upon several factors. Delay is a slippery question.
ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Recalling.
Interest.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆಯೋಗ ಕಂಡೋನೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಲೇ.
ಅದು recall, ಇದು LR's application.
LR's ಅದು delay.
Accepting the cost shown.
LR's.
Delay of 2810 days. Delay in filing an application to recall the order dated 22/2/2013 is condoned, subject to denial of interest for the said period, including the applicant is not entitled the solution of 30% for the said period.
Please.
Application to set aside the abatement is allowed. Abatement is set aside. The legal heirs of
Appellant number 2.
and number 2 are permitted to be brought on record. Appellant to amend cost item. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ heard on IA 2 of 24. Accepting the cost shown. Delay of 3 to 37 days. ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Recalling.
For recalling the order.
For recalling.
Calling the order.
MFA.
Appeal was dismissed for
Non-prosecution. 2810.
for non-prosecution.
Yes.
7 years.
In similar batch of.
Covered by judgment by in MFA, my lords, 21048.
ಏನ್ 3 ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಾಯ್ತು 2 ಆಯ್ತು IFR city ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 3 serial number 1 of recalling of ಕಾಣಿದ
Dismissal order for non-prosecution.
Orders on IA 1 of 22 except in the cost shown delay of 2810 days delay in preparing an application to recall the order dated 22/2/2013 is condoned by denying the interest as well as the interest on solution for 2810 days delay. Order dated so and so is recalled. Bill is restored. Right? 2. IA 2 of 22 is filed seeking condonation of delay of
Allah, 1 and 2 are, 1 is for recalling, 2 is for delay in filing the recalling application.
ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ IA 1 and IA 2 of 22 are allowed. Next IA 1 of 24 not except the cost shown delay of 2-3-5 days 3 to 3-5 days delay in
Recalling.
an application to bring LR's of the are condoned.
Abatement.
Setting aside abatement and.
Setting aside abatement and
is condoned by by denying the interest for the safe area. Abatement is set aside. LRs of the appellant number 2 are permitted to be brought on the spot. Accordingly, I so and so are allowed. Appellant to amend cost will be restored up. I'll make the restored. And council appearing for the C so and so.
R1.
R1 state, R2 central government,
The CGP is requested submissions for R1.
R2 myself.
Are we exception this for? This is filed by the council appearing for the parties where it submits that this present appeal is heard by the chief of the Warrant bench. Amendment 21045 up to 12 passed in sewer purposes. In view of the said submission, the police disposed of the compensation is redetermined at the rate of 1,79,390 per class along with outstanding benefits.
Please.
The appeal is allowed pass. It is made clear that the appellant not be entitled for the interest for the period for the 2810 and 3 days delay, as well as he is not entitled interest on solution for the opposite.
Please.
Sunil Desai.
But the case, the respondent is an outdoor employee of the temple. As per Rule 6, age of retirement is 65. So the single judge, my lord, since the act is challenged and pending before the Supreme Court, there is a protection to the archakas for their retirement. In fact, my lord, by relying on that, my lord, continued the service. The respondent has not challenged even the rule. ಈಗ 77 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ 65 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ
ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು 60 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು.
Rules
you lordships permit us to relieve him a lot. Still he is been continuing whatever monetary benefit he is entitled. You can't
permanently ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬಿಡಬಾರದು.
Final hearing post ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಬೆಂಚ್.
It is submitted that the petitioner has been continued pursuant to the order of the judge, and now he has attained
77 years.
Continuation of the respondent number 4, respondent number 3.
Yes.
The services of the first respondent temple.
Yes.
Is contrary to the
Rule 11 subclass 2.
and requires detailed consideration. In view of the same, the appellant is permitted to relieve
Please.
third response of services.
Please.
Monetary benefits ಏನು?
ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
13 Muttunjahಳ್ಳಿ case.
Lord, this is the appeal by the wife, my lord, against the decree of divorce. My lord, on the last occasion, my lord, my friend filed his memo of calculation. And also, my lord, at the threat of arrest, my lord, he paid 2 lakh rupees, my lord, in check. Now, my lord, according to me.
Presented by the appellant here, but that was not honored, your lordships.
ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್.
ಸರಿ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್.
Heard on I1 of 2022, matter will be being of the year 2020. Considering nature of dispute, list the matter in the second week of October.
Please.
Second week of October 20.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು
Respondent undertake to produce the salary certificate on the next day of the
Please.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್.
15, government.
new act.
There.
ಒಂದು ಜೈದೇವ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ
Please,
Old act.
no, this was not, Allah, 15 minutes. 15, order of the KT, my lord, wherein application filed by the respondent was allowed. His father was, my lord, made an application for retirement, my lord, under the voluntary retirement under Rule 385. That was allowed, my lord, as he is permitted to be relieved. Thereafter, my lord, son has made an application. My lord, early hearing, already matter is admitted and stay is granted. They have filed early hearing.
I am for respondent number 2.
R2.
List third week of October.
16, Ravi Hegde.
Appearing for complainant.
Please, my lord, I filed an application for extension of time. There was a direction in view of the order passed by the government that 1/30th of pay scale is ordered to be payable to casual laborers. The honorable court dropped the contempt, giving us 2 months time, my lord. Now the process has begun. We required some more time because the consultation with the finance ministry has to.
ಅಲ್ಲ 8 months time ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Lords may kindly see the affidavit.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, I'm sorry.
ಅವ್ರು 8 ವರ್ಷ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
I am sorry.
ಅಡ್ವಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, department has sent it. I also objected. I'll leave it to lordship. Some reasonable time.
3 months ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, please. The process has started in a second week of August.
ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊ
Yes, madam. Affidavit.
ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
Yes,
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಾ?
madam. In the affidavit itself, I filed. Concerned order was sent, paragraph 3, my lord. Order is also passed. I submit that honorable court has given 2 months time from the date of receipt of the certified copy of that. After obtaining the order, the concerned order was sent to Directorate ASI, New Delhi.
Which respondent? ಅಯ್ಯೇ
Yes,
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು.
madam. Yes.
Accused number 1.
Respondent number 1. In the disposed of seeking extension of time of 8 months. Comply. Direction to the London 5/10/2023, passed in the meeting 5799. Paper as the MD the council of for the Kumar Bhatt.
Vinay Kumar.
Council appearing for the complaint. Peruse the evidence made in the affidavit. The order dated 19/3, accepting the reasons, considering the fact that there are administrative procedure involved further period of 3 months.
Please.
is granted. It's made clear that no further
Please.
extension will be considered. This extension is granted, keeping in mind the fact that the response has undertook to comply the order of the London.
Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Case disposed of.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ filed a writ appeal, my lord.
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
You have filed, call along with.
Please.
18, Umesh Shenapu.
My friend will argue this matter. HM very going to argue this matter, man. Kindly pass over.
So 224 meter.
Serial number 18.
ಏನಿದೆ? ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Please, notice.
One and two, my lord.
1 and 2.
ಅಲ್ಲ, only two, my lord. One ಗೆ
One KPSC, KL Patil, man.
Please.
Allah, dispensation is there, my lord. Dispensation.
Dispensation is allowed for the time being.
Please.
19, SK Kakmat.
On IA for maintenance and he has, I have filed.
Fresh matter?
Yes, sir. Money, last time ತಾವು
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಬೇರೆ.
ತಾವು ಚೇಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್.
ಏನು ಇದು ಸರಿ ನಡೆದದಾ?
ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಏನೋ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿಗೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಂತ he did not visit. Otherwise he is visiting.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರಲಿ.
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ಹೋದ ತಿಂಗಳದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಾಯಕ್ ಮಠದ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಒಂದು 67,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆ ಹುಡುಗಂದು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಕಾಯಕ್ ಮಠರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ತಿಂಗಳದ್ದೇನೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ?
ಒಂದ್ ತಿಂಗಳ
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಹುಡುಗದೇನು ನನಗೆ ರಿಸಿಟ್ ಏನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್
ಅವ್ರು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಡ. ಓಪನ್ಲಿ
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿವಿಸಿಟೆಡ್. ಒಂದ್ ತಿಂಗಳ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ ತಿಂಗಳ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ the father wanted to reunite is not going to happen because every moment this is interfering. ಆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಹತ್ರ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದು ಇವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
67,000 ಅದು
67,694.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 67,000 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ ಏನ್ ರೆಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್.
ಸಂಜಯ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅದು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಒಂದು
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಏನೋ ಮಗು
ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಂತ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬೇಡ. Yes, said other.
The bills are pertaining to 2022, sir, 2023.
ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಮಗು ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಂಜಯ್, ಮಗುಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
There is no invoice, sir, just some sort of pay.
ಯಾರು ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
But school, everything I'm ready to pay, sir. Around 28,000 is there with regard to school and the medical expenses, sir. Immediately I'll pay it, sir. That's not an issue, sir.
I mean, record
other payments which are nowhere related is what it is. I'm speaking of.
ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರ
ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸಫೋಕೇಶನ್.
His father
he is entitled.
At least he may, at least he may be permitted to take out.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕುಂದಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ?
saying I am making, see, pura unscrupulous ಇತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದೇ. He has stood tall and he said orders ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, I am making, I has made payment also. Now he is saying that I will make the payment. Accept that payment. Accept that. We will not make the order. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Until the disposal of the litigation, regular payment, maintenance at least ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ.
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಐ ಪೇಡ್ ಅದಂತ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
When parties conduct themselves stall before the court, we will not make adverse orders. We believe the parties. We believe the parties because conduct is like that. We will not make any order. Payment part.
With regard to the visitation, sir, not even once till date have been allowed to go out with my child, sir. At every point, we went with, for a small issue, ಏನಾದ್ರಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ with the child. I feel totally suffocated, sir, there.
One ನಿಮಿಷ.
Because